Hey, the YouTube fans, Mike Palumbo. I got another edition of my Culinary Council series. It's been a little while. I've been busy. Haven't really made any cooking videos, but I like making cooking videos. And today I'm going to have a very unique dinner. This is something that people either love or they hate. And tonight I'm making liver and onions. Liver and onions. Now, liver is something that, honestly, you either love it or you hate it. I mean, there's no in between. But if you've never tried it, you should try it. Give it a shot, because I mean, you know, you might love it. Liver's got a relatively strong flavor. It doesn't need a lot of help. And what I like about it, I get these things. I get them in a supermarket. I get them in one pound packages. They're generally sliced 4 ounces each. It's about 4 ounces, and it cooks up really fast. Again, I like the flavor, so. You know, if you don't like the flavor, I mean, give it a shot one time. You also got, you see it get in the supermarkets, chicken liver. They sell them in containers, and people use those more for breakfast. But just basically liver and onion. And I like my liver and onions with a little bit of mustard, and that's it. That's it's a great meal. So right now what I'm doing is I'm heating up the olive oil. I'm just going to saute it in olive oil, obviously with onions. And again, it cooks really quick. The olive oil is heating up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw the onions in, and I'm going to start them first, because onions, it's a very quick dish. Onions take a little longer to cook than the liver. So we're going to start the onions first. Yeah, it cooks up really, really quickly. So it's not, it's effortless to cook. I really don't even season it, because I just like the flavor of the liver with the onions. Maybe a little salt and pepper if you want. I put mustard on it after it's done. That's how I do it. Okay, so the onions are about 3/4 done, and I don't know if you saw before. Actually, I threw some garlic in too when I was with the olive oil, just to get that little bit of garlic flavor. And now I'm just going to throw the liver in. Now, what I like about liver also is basically, like I said, it comes in like basically 1 pound. It comes in 1 pound, you know, packages, and it usually comes sliced as 4 ounces each. And what I do is I take them out of the packages and I put them in individual Ziploc bags, the baggies, and I freeze them individually. I'm just having one today. I'm not that hungry. Usually I make 2 at a time. What I like about it is you freeze it, and it's like fish. It defrosts really fast. So maybe you didn't really plan to make anything for dinner that night, or you just forgot to take something out that you wanted to, and you want to make something. You have some liver in there, you take it out, and within like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, it's defrosted. And it cooks really fast. I mean, this is almost done. I just popped it in. And it's almost done. It cooks really fast, and you know, you're done. There's some liver and onions. That's all it takes. There we have it. It's liver and onions. I'm going to put a little mustard on it. I'm going to use just the plain yellow mustard. No honey Dijon, no nothing. And that's it for dinner. Thanks for watching.